Alright, so today we'll be discussing difference of two squares. Difference of two squares. What's an example of difference of two squares? For example, okay, let's make this p minus p square minus q square. So this is an example of difference. Difference means subtraction. So difference, subtraction of two squares. You can see this are square, this also are square. So difference of two squares. So this is an example of difference of two squares. It means that you are going to have two variables or figures or numbers that both of them we have square to be separated by subtraction. So that's what difference of two square. You understand? So how do you solve this question? Remember, if you have p squared minus 2p plus 2 or 3, this is the quadratic equation. So, but this is an example of quadratic equation. But all these are examples of difference of two squares. You have only hence the two variables. All right. So the answer to this is that we want to have we have something like this of this form. So for example, so the answer to this is p minus q and p plus q, and that's the answer. So how? Let me tell you how. So all right, let's multiply this. Let's open the bracket and see. P multiplied by p squared. P multiplied by q, that's pq, minus q multiplied by p minus pq, and minus q multiplied by plus q, that's minus q squared. So plus pq minus pq will cancel each other. So you have p squared minus q squared. So that's how we derive at this. You understand? So that's how we derive at this. So p squared minus q squared will give you minus p minus q and p plus q. And this applies everywhere you have difference of two squares. So for this question, so what we want to do is ensure that the other figures or the other value are square. So this is y squared minus 3 squared. Remember, 3 squared is 3 multiplied by 3. So which is 9. So now our answer will be y minus 3, y plus 3. That's our answer. Then also here, how do we solve this? We want to ensure that we have another value here that has square raised to power 2. So what are you going to do? You are going to factorize this. So what we divide 5 in square, and we also divide by 5. That will be 5. 5 in the bracket. What is left? A squared minus what? But 5 divided by 5, that's 9. Then you have 5 in the bracket a squared minus 9 squared. So now our answer is 5 into bracket a minus 9 into bracket a plus 9. And also, we are going to what we divide 3x squared and also divide 4x squared. That's 3 in the bracket x squared minus 16 minus 16. Because 3 multiplied by minus 16 becomes minus 48. So you have 3 into bracket x squared minus 4 squared. Remember, 4 squared is 16. So our answer is 3 into bracket x minus 4 x plus 4. And finally, remember, we are looking for the value of this that will be squared, as we have the value of 9 that will be squared is 3 squared. So what value of 1? What value of number that is squared will give us 1? That's 1. 1 square is 1 times 1, which will give us 1. Right? So you have r squared minus 1 squared. Because 1 squared, 1 times 1 will still give us 1. 3 squared will give us 9. You see? 9. Sorry, this is 3. This is 3. This is 3 squared. This is 3 squared. See, this is 3 squared. Alright. 3 squared will give us 9. 4 squared will give us 16. So now we have r minus 1, r plus